This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. I'm gonna unbox some new product I have here. I don't know exactly what I have inside. A bot, not remember. So let's see, let's cut this back to see what we have inside. Let's see, we have some bulb here. Here we go. Nothing special, fancy. Let me take this off from here. Wow, packaging is beautiful, as you can see. Lovely packaging, and you can open as this. Wow, beautiful. It's not GU10. This is E27 holder. Lid lies similar as GU spot. Lovely. So all of them are the similar and cheap. You can buy $1 or $2 euro in Chinese. AliExpress they're cheaper than other places. So okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.